So I was feeling a bit silly and bored today, so I decided to code probably one of the most useless things I ever will code, a Python program that invents new words. Yeah, it's about as dumb as it sounds. Basically, the way I wanted to go about doing this was to create a list with every letter in the English alphabet in it, and then randomly choose a letter from that list, and then just append it to another list that would be printed as the word. Alright, here I am coding that up really quick. I honestly kind of just had this idea pop into my head randomly, so I didn't really have much of a plan, but I think it came out pretty well. Alright, so I'm just going to take a second to go over how this program actually works. So at the very start, we have this for loop that encapsulates the entire program. After that, I just made a string that will store the random word we make. We randomly choose a length for the word to be, and then we randomly generate our letter. We have all of our checks. The first check is to see if there are two vowels printed in a row. It's going to take our letter and see if it's a vowel. It's going to try and check if the letter we just put into the random word is a vowel. If it is, then we set the letter we're currently putting in to a consonant. Otherwise, we just pass. We have our no repeat consonants check. This is going to make sure that we don't print the same consonant twice in a row. So it's going to try and check if the letter we just put into the random word is the same as the letter that we're trying to put in now. If it is, it's going to choose another one until it's something different. And finally, we want to make sure we don't do two consonants in a row. We check to see if the letter we're putting in right now is a consonant. Next, we check to see if the random letter we just put in was a consonant. And if it is, we set the letter we're currently putting into a vowel, and then we put that in. As you can see, the words generated by this code are just utterly silly.